The parts that we're making are being used to keep people alive in IVs. It's insanely important that they do their job and they do their job perfectly. A lot of the time it's just kind of out of mind, you're just doing what you do every day, but then you pick up a part and you look at it and you think, what is this gonna do? Like, who is this gonna affect?
Both of the departments she's worked in have been a primarily male role, so she's come in and just really done an amazing job and showed that girls can do it too.
Especially when you're, a young person, and if you're a woman in a, non-traditional role, it can be really intimidating going into the workplace. I think it's really important to have, people like Sarah and everybody I work with that are so willing to help me, and I know that there's someone I can go to at any time, whether it's at my school or with CareerWise or here at Nordson, and I'm able to talk to them about anything that's going on at the workplace, or if I need help with anything, I feel comfortable doing that.
I've seen her really come out of her shell a lot. I think this was her first job ever, so it's been really cool to watch her get more confident in what she's doing every day. I feel like we're just kind of paving the way for hopefully more women and young people to get into some of these specialty positions in the manufacturing field.
I knew I wanted to do something in engineering. I had no clue what, and this gave me a really specific job that I wanted and a field that I wanted to study, and it's kind of like, it's a feeling of relief to know where I want to go and not have to worry about being unsure and not having to worry about what's it going to be like once I get to the workplace. I already have that certainty and knowledge that I'm really excited about this field.